The Noble Dhāraṇī, spoken by Mañjuśrī himself. Homage to the Three Jewels. Homage to Noble Mañjuśrī. Namo Ratnatrayaya, Namo Bhagavatī Dhamma Dhatu Nigajita Rajaya tathāgataya arhate samyak sambuddhaya Namo Mañjuśrīye Kumara Bhutaya Tadyata Om Janana Loke Triratna Vamsa Samdharani Bhagavatī Abhayam Dadi Abhayam Date Me Bodhicitta Vajra Paripalaya Samanta Vabhasayana Hana Sava Sattva Santana Patitam Kleshan Uchedaya Vara Laksha Nalam Kurtashirire Bodhisattva Shishun Paripalaya Buddhan Adeshaya Deva Nagayaksha Gandhava Suraga Rudikinara Mahoragan Vasheshtbaya Abhayam Dadati Svaha. As for the benefits of this Dhāraṇī, even a single recitation will purify the karmic obscurations accrued over 1,000 eons, and at the time of death one will behold noble Mañjuśrī. One will also behold the body of noble Avalokiteshvara, his head adorned with a topknot. In short, the benefits of this Dhāraṇī are limitless. This concludes the Noble Dhāraṇī, spoken by Mañjuśrī himself.